in the evening, when the time is getting cool, I started to feel a little pain. And during the course of the night, when I reached home, I found out that I could not move. What I noticed, I am not feeling the pain on the outside. I feel the pain in the inside. I could not cough. I could not sneeze. I felt like my lungs puncture because I got a puncture lung before and I know how it feels. My wife was there and she started telling me, boy, you need to go to the hospital. But Virgin, I was not stubborn. I wanted to go to the hospital. I was wanted to trust God said it will heal. And I went to work the next morning and I tried to work, but Virgin, let me tell you something. While I was there working, my boss was there looking. And I feel like I tried to put out the best in the things. He said, me not hurt. Wherever I said to me, call my rice on the side. He said, boy, rice, I look mash up, man. I walk on. So, they tell him the situation and he said, no, you have to go to hospital. Everybody that I talked to said, look here, you have to go to the hospital. Virgin, it became so bad that the pain started to move. You don't want to stay one place. At times I feel it in my chest. And I remember one at the time feeling pain in the center of my back. So sharp. And me and my wife was at home, and I don't know what she did, but I complained about the pain and I said she come out with a bottle of olive oil. And she said, wait, tell me which part I feel the pain. I mean, to put her hand and touch it. Right? I never knew that all the time when I was going through the pain. I was praying, but she was praying too. And let me tell you something, that day she came out and she said, when you lie down on the bed, I take off the shirt and lie down and take off the shirt. And Virgin, she rubbed me with the olive oil here and she rubbed the scent on my back. Right? And after she do that, me there on my job asleep. In the morning, when I wake up and notice my belly started running. And when I go to the bathroom, I continue to look in the bathroom just to see if, probably I have a bottle of blood. I said, believe me, what I saw, there was just something looking black, just look black, came out in the bathroom and the thing. And immediately in the evening, I realized the pain was gone from in my back. And I don't feel it in my chest anymore, I can't breathe. At one time, Virgin, I have to roll off the bed. I could not try to get up with the chest to ease up, I have to roll off to put my foot on the ground. But you see, some of the times, friend, just to say, we know we should go to doctor, but we have a bigger doctor. And we should put our faith into that doctor. Some of the time, Virgin, is the mistake that we made when we went to the hospital, not trusting God. And we always have to remember that every pill that we take, it destroys something. So that is why when we get a pill, we get one for the feelings, we get one for the answer. But each time we take one, we get one to solve one problem. And before you know it, you live on pill for the rest of your life. We must trust God. Give Him a little trust. Put the faith where our lips is and we are coming to church. We must learn to give the big man the first chance with us. Amen.